Go, tell me how to sew.
So the part you see the pedal.
The pedal.
That's the pedal.
Okay, that's the pedal.
So that's the surface of the. If you twist this, you will even see the bobbin.
Okay, the bobbin.
If you see the bobbin right there, you will even see the seam. If you twist the seam, you will even it will go by itself if you twist the seam.
Okay, it'll go by itself
If you twist the seam.
if I twist the thing. Got it.
If you twist the seam, it will go down.
Oh, okay.
Can you show her which one she turns to change her stitch? Which one is that? The one on the side or the one on the front?
Turn on the flowers.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
The one up there, the one on the front, and the one on the flower.
And should she use a straight stitch or a zigzag stitch?
A zag stitch. This goes in the sewing machine.
Yes.
If you sew the stitch on, if you make holes like
It says there's a party in this shoebox.
there's a party right in there.
There's a party where?
There's
I'm not sewing?
nothing in that.
No, I'm not sewing yet, huh?
Oh,
What about the thread? Where does the thread go?
it goes right up there. And the thread goes in the bobbin. And the thread goes in the hole. Then you put the bobbin in.
And does it go in the needle?
Yeah. And you
But you have to be careful with the needle. Why?
because you press the pedal, so it will hurt you.
That's right. Very good.
Yeah, very good. If you see the bobbin right there. That's the bobbin.
What's the whole thing called?
What is it?
What's the whole thing called?
That's all I think called Margie.
I don't know. You were teaching me everything.
The bin. But the machine. What's in the machine?
What kind of machine is it?
It's yours.
It's mine. All right.
The important thing you need to sew if you sew clothes.
I'm going to sew some clothes.
You see the pedal right there.
Oh, a pillow too?
No.
No.
The pedal.
Pedal.
Then you make clothes.
Okay.
So if you make clothes, if you step on it, you make clothes, you will twist it down the fabric, and you twist it down, you twist the thing down to the fabric,
Yeah.
and you press the pen again, and you twist it up, and then you use the scissors.
Very good. Thank you. I know how to use it now. Thank you for teaching me.
So the important thing, you see the pedal right there, is that the pedal.
Okay, let's see. I have to go cut the pattern.
You put a pattern.
Yeah.
This is the pattern piece.
No, pattern piece is over there. Shall we go do it?
So you see the fabric right here. This is the yoke.
It's the yoke.
That's why we brought the yoke.
Okay.
It's orange.
What is the yolk?
It's orange. It's between an orange and blue.
And is it part of what?
It's the part that's brown and that's what color is it also?
No, what do you use a yoke for? Is it on your pants?
For clothes.
For clothes. What clothes though?
It's for
Where is the yoke at on your shirt? Can you show me?
Put it in the guts.
You are just too smart.
Put it in the guts, didn't it?
Yeah. Okay. Say thank you for teaching me. Bye. What?
I'm going to show you again.
Okay. Well.